my name is Payal Ravindra. I am a choreographer and a Bharatnatyam dancer from Mumbai. I work there and basically मैं भोपाल से हूँ और मैं मुंबई में settled हूँ. मैं वहाँ I work in a studio, Bombay Institute for Performing Arts, which is in Andheri East, JP Nagar. And so today I would be taking a Bollynatyam session. सो बॉलीनाट्यम समटाइम मतलब बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लगता है ना सुनने के लिए कि बॉलीनाट्यम क्या है. भरतनाट्यम तो उनको पता है, बट व्हाट इज़ बॉलीनाट्यम. सो भरतनाट्यम तड़का विथ बॉलीनाट्यम म्यूजिक, सॉरी भरतनाट्यम तड़का विथ बॉलीवुड म्यूजिक. सॉरी आई वाज रीडिंग अ कमेंट. जस्ट लेट्स स्टार्ट ऑन, आई गेस. यस, and please be there with me, stay with me, and do post a video after the session finish. Do post a video and tag Just Jam official and also me, and we will definitely share your videos. Okay, so how did you know that you will go with Bharatnatyam? Okay, I'll answer all these things during my session. Let's just start. So today we are going the session will be on Naino Wale Ne. बहुत ही famous song है and it's a very soothing, very light song. So therefore I choose this with a very beautiful movement. So let's go for it and let's do Naino Wale Ne. Okay, चलिए. Okay, so the music. So the song which we are going to do is Naino Wale Ne, Bollynatyam style. Okay. So first position. Dance with me, guys. Please don't leave. Please dance with me. You will definitely like it. And so the first position which you are going to keep is this. Okay. Standing straight, keeping your backbone straight. Standing straight, keeping your backbone straight. Keep your both hands in Dola Hasta. This position is called as Dola Hasta. I know you all will be. It's for everyone. Beginners, advanced, intermediate. It's for everyone. Okay. So there is no it's not like it's beginners ही कर सकते हैं, advanced भी कर सकते हैं. Everyone can do it. Okay. Therefore, I have selected a song like that. Okay. So keep your hands here. So for 4 countings, you will freeze. You will freeze here for 4 countings. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then you go 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you go 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So how you are going to sit? You are going to open up your legs. Okay. Open up your legs. Bend your knees and sit. This position is Aramandi. Fine. Okay. So again, one more time. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Then go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then from here you go 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Okay, fine. Again, one more time. So you start with the Dola Hasta. You go 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you go 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you walk, walk, walk and walk. The mudras there is the hand which is above is Alpadma and the hand which is here in front of your chest is Kadkamukh. So this is my right and this is my left. You people don't get confused. Do not do my mirror image. Do my opposite. Okay. So here you go. You have to leave the music. 2, 3. You have to go to leave this music. Okay. Sorry. Okay, so from here, okay, so you have to stand like this. So, okay, again, 1, you'll join your feet and stand 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, good. So let's see how it goes on the music. Let's see how it goes on the music. Okay. Pause. Pause. Stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So then you come. I guess the music is very clear to you. I guess the music is very clear. Okay. So from here you go. Afterwards, after the 4 countings, you go neno wale ne. Okay. So your right leg will be front and neno wale ne. Then go ho ho. So you go 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Again. This is Kartari Mudra. This is Kartari Mudra. Okay. And this is Kartari Mudra. And then again you go Alpadma on the left hand and Dola Hasta on the right hand. So, okay. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So if we do it, then it will be. Okay, then after this, then you go 1, 2, 3, 4. How you go? 1, 2, 3, 4. Side, tap, side, tap. Okay, so when you're going side, your hands will be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fine. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4. Fine. Your hands will be front. If you want, you can keep it like this. If you want, you can keep it like this. Both the way is okay for me. Okay. So up till here, anybody has any queries, anything you want to ask, you can ask. I will definitely reply it. Okay. So if you have any confusion up till now, please ask. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. From here you go 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Point your toes down. Okay. Point your toes down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Point your toes down and keep your knee flat. It should not come back. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. Okay. I hope this much is clear. Anybody has any queries can ask, please. Okay. So somebody asked me, what would you suggest for upcoming artists? So I would suggest what you learn to your best, and किसी भी learning process को you should not leave it half. Okay, तो आपने learning process को कभी आधा मत छोड़िए, उसको हमेशा पूरा कीजिए. That is what I want to say to the upcoming artist. हम now आगे बढ़ते हैं. Okay, चलिए. from here, then you go, guys. नैनो वाले ने छेड़ा मन का प्याला. Okay, so from here, then you go. नैनो वाले ने छेड़ा मन का प्याला. Okay, so how you go? नैनो वाले ने छेड़ा. How you sit down? Open up your feet, come on your toes, sit down and keep your left leg down. Okay, छेड़ा मन का प्याला. Okay, so the mudras which I am using is 1, छेड़ा मन का प्याला. Okay, so again we go. नैनो वाले ने छेड़ा मन का प्याला. Okay, now from here you are going to shift to your left. This is my left. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So you go down and then you shift. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again, we do it again. Okay, so go down, then cross. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So when you cross your right leg, okay, you will stand and then you will take a turn from your left hand and come straight. Okay, up till here, right leg, blah blah blah. Anyone has any problem with the right, with the left or anything like that? If not, then I'll proceed further. Okay, so you go, here we go. अपने साथ ले गया. So you have to come forward. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fine. Okay, so up till here, I guess those who are with me, those who are dancing with me, do you have any doubt? And I hope my video is clear to you all. My instructions, you're getting my instructions and you're not finding it difficult to do, right? Okay, so I just continue then. If no one has any doubt, any questions, anything to ask about. You know what I like best thing about dance, this कि डांस से सारा स्ट्रेस चला जाता है. सो अब इतने टाइम से वी हैव बीन दिस एक रूटीन हो गया था ना हमारा टू स्टे एट होम एंड टू थिंक कि अब आगे क्या होने वाला है. उससे आपको बहुत ज़्यादा आई गेस स्ट्रेस हो गया था या हो रहा था कि क्या होगा कैसा होगा. सो आज शायद थोड़ा सा आपका स्ट्रेस रिलीज हो रहा हो मेरे साथ डांस करके. आई होप सो, बिकॉज अगेन आई से दैट डांस इज़ द बेस्ट thing to do when you are sad or you are depressed. After the session I feel कि अगर आपको मजा आए. Okay? Okay. Then you have नैनो वाले ने. Okay, aha. Fine. So jump and jump. So how you go? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so your hands will be straight and your palms are facing up. Your hands will be straight and your palms are facing up. This would be the position of your hand. So how you go? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Done? Done? Okay, first nano wale ne is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now second nano wale is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very simple how to do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll show you from the back as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Done. So now the hands go. Nenu wale ne. Okay. 1, 2. Okay. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So again the first nenu wale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I would repeat it again with the music, okay? Now after this, okay, after this, nenu wale ne, okay, nenu wale ne, cheda man ka pyala, nenu wale ne, cheda man ka pyala. Fine. So you go, nenu wale ne, cheda man ka pyala. Okay, and then again jump. Chalkai Madhushala. Okay, so how you make Madhushala? Again, Alpadma is here and Shikhar is here. Okay, Alpadma and Shikhar. So you go. Again you go. Nenu wale ne. You have to do the eye movement as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so nenu wale ne, okay, nenu wale ne, cheda man ka pyala, chalkai madhushala, okay, chalkai madhushala. Okay, then turn mera chain ren nain. Okay, मेरा चैन रैन नैन अपने साथ ले गया. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you go 1, then take a turn from your left, again front, and then again take a turn. Okay, so again last time, nenu wale ne, cheda man ka pyala, chalkai madhushala, mera chain रैन नैन अपने साथ ले गया. Okay, so we'll do this much. I just wanted to know, anybody has any doubt, those who are with me, those who are dancing with me, or even those who have just joined, anyone, any doubt, please ask. Oh my god, so many questions. I'm so sorry. Oh, how I missed it. Oops. Oh, comments off, please. Sorry, I cannot off the comments. I'm so sorry. Oh my god. Wow, do share this. It would be on the IGT TV and it would be on Just Jam official YouTube. Okay, the video. Okay, please turn off the comments. Sorry. Legs and eye movements are positive. Opposite. Legs and eye movements are opposite. Okay. Legs movements not visible. Oh darling, I'm so sorry. Please repeat comments of leg movement not repeat, proceed, repeat. Yes. Once more on music. Comments of please do after sitting sequence with song. And on countings, please repeat. Please take it from. I will do it from the beginning for everyone. Sorry, I missed all the comments. I don't know how. Okay, I'll do it from the beginning for everyone. I'm so sorry. Okay, so we started from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry, this was Al Padma. Al Padma. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk, 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 and pause. Okay, okay, till here. Then it was neno wale ne. Right? Clear? Pause. Neno wale ne. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Then again. Neno wale ne. No. Once again on counting, please. What no? Ma'am sitting say. No. What no? Okay. छेड़ा छेड़ा. Okay, छेड़ा मन का प्याला, छलकाई मधुशाला, मेरा चैन रैन अपने. 1, 2, 3, 4. ओके, साथ ले गया मैम. I'll play the music. Okay. Let's do with the music. Okay. Okay. I did it. Okay. Done. Now I guess everybody did it. Yes. Okay. So, no, nothing is. Okay. Done. Hope this is it and I have read all the comments. Okay. Done. Should we proceed further or I'll just once again we do it with the music. Once again we'll do it with the music. Neno wale ne, then neno wale ne. Clear? Okay, I hope it is clear. Neno wale ne and then neno wale ne. I'm sorry I cannot turn off the comments. I'm so sorry girls. So neno wale ne, then neno wale ne, chheda man ka pyala. Okay. Last time this much with the music. Okay. 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 Okay, hi. Okay, so now let's proceed further. Okay, chaliye, let's go. I hope this much is clear. I don't know why I am not able to read the comment when you do it. I can read it later on. I don't know why. But let's proceed, girls. Come on. And guys as well. Okay, let's do it. Hi, hi, hi. Okay. So then after that, okay, so सात से ले गया 1 2 3 4, then you go again 1. I'll do it this way. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Okay, so you have to go to your right. You have to go to your right. Hi, hi. You have to go to your right. Fine. So 1 2 3 4. Tap, cross, tap, cross. Swastik at the back. Swastik at the back. So tap, cross, tap, cross. So you go 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Okay. 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 So again I do it. You go. So when you're going to the right, it's Kadkamukh, then it's Alpadma. So 1 2 3 4, back 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, back 2 3 4. Okay. So you go 1 2 3 4, back 2 3 4. Okay. Okay. Then after that, from here, then 1 2 3 4, then 1 2
9,
3 4.
1.
Okay. So 1 2 3 4 and 1 2 3 4. Okay. Okay. Done. So last time 1 2 3 4, back 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2, run. Okay. Okay. Any? Why are you coming back? Your leg. Which leg movement you want to ask? Please ask. Which leg movement are you asking? How am I coming back? When? 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 In this? Or in this? I'm coming back same way. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Okay. With left I am coming back. With left leg. Last time I'm coming with my right and left leg. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 Okay, clear? Okay, so again 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, then 1 2 3 4. Okay, again 1 2 3 4. Alpadma, Kadkamukh. Which side? I am running on my right, you also run on your right. Okay, and then 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 5 6 7 8. 5 6 7 8. Okay. Five, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8. Okay, so 1 2 from here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay people, okay, few more minutes to go. Let's do it. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 from here. Pag pag dolu re. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4. This is my right, this is my left. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so it is pag pag dolu re. 1 2 3 4. Then 1 2 again 1 2 3 4. Okay. Five, six, seven, eight. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3. Okay, so 1 2 3 4. Pabak dolun re jag jag se jalti. So how you go? Push pushpaputta. Okay, pushpaputta. Pushpaputta, right? So you go 1 2 3 4. Okay, tere 1 2 3 4. Again 1 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 2 3 4. Then you have to turn. Okay. Okay, sorry, you don't have to turn. This is 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 right. 1 2 left. Yours. Mine this is right and mine this is left. Okay, this is my left and this is my right. But it's to you it's just opposite. Okay. Then again नैनो की कैसी ये मदिरा. ओके, नैनो की कैसी ये मदिरा. ओके ओके. 1 2 3. ठीक है. मदिरा थर थर कापू रे. टक 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 टक. यस मैम. ओके. थर थर कापू रे. 1 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. Chandan si naag pe lipti. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 sitting on your right is up and left is down. 1, 2, 3, 4. कैसी मैं बेहोश तू नशा कैसी मुँह सी अदा. So you go कैसी मुँह सी अदा. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. मेरा चैन रैन नैन अपने साथ ले गया. Okay, people. Wow. Will be, yes, it will say saved. Please save the live. It will be saved, yes, because we are running out of time. So let's do it from the beginning. Okay, and yes, this will be saved. Yes, it will be saved for sure. You can watch and you can learn again. Okay. So many comments. Once upon a yes, I'm doing it. Please show the steps from the ending music and post as well. Okay, yes, yes. want, you can repeat the whole nano wale ne wala sequence which we have done. First is nano wale ne, aha. The second one is nano wale ne cheda man ka प्याला चलकाई मधुशाला मेरा ने अपने साथ ले गया. Okay people, so any more questions, any more queries you want? I have, okay, yet some time to go. Thank you so much. I hope you people really enjoyed the session, and follow follow us, Just Jam Official, and follow me on Instagram. I am there, and keep update. Thank you so much. I try to do best what I can, and keep yourself update with the upcoming events which is there, and please do post a video and tag Just Jam Official and me. And thank you so much, Just Jam Official, for giving me such a great opportunity to be in this platform, and I had a lot of fun while teaching. And sorry if I'm not able to answer each and every one. Sometimes it becomes very difficult while dancing to see the comments. So जिनको भी मैं नहीं answer कर पाई हूँ, I'm really sorry of my heart. Thank you once again people. Bye bye, take care. Do post a video, do tag me, do tag Just Jam Officials. Bye 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 bye. See ya. Be safe, and if you will be safe, your family will be safe, and all the best for coming future.